This 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 17JG is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 23 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, slide-out, skylight, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, external shower, microwave, refrigerator, self-contained, leveling jacks, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 17JG is 3,860 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.